Severe weather in central and eastern China is disrupting travel for millions of people attempting to return home for the Lunar New Year. Freezing rain, snow and ice has brought traffic to a standstill, grounded flights and stranded trains. These images from state broadcaster CCTV show the extent of the disruption. Overall, Hunan and Hubei provinces have been the worst affected areas, after the weather steadily got worse over the weekend. The travel disruptions coincide with the biggest mass travel migration in the world, as millions flock home to see their families for the new year. This video shows crowds of people stranded at Wuhan Station. A statement from the Wuhan Railway revealed 139 trains were out of service in the city on Tuesday. According to state media reports, at least 2 people have died in snow-related accidents. There have also been reports of people becoming trapped in trains and cars, as well as freezing rain felling trees. So far, several cities have upgraded their weather advisories and emergency response plans. The Ministries of Finance and Transport issued the equivalent of around $19.5 million to support 11 provinces and municipalities for highway snow and ice removal. China's National Emergency Broadcasting Organization says the severe weather is expected to last for another few days, although the Central Meteorological Observatory predicts conditions could start improving from Thursday onwards. The Lunar New Year begins on Saturday and welcomes the Year of the Dragon.
换乘的枢纽站。今年呢，大概是有20%的旅客要在这里中转换乘，所以呢，给除雪融冰的这个工作带来了难度。我们先来说一下铁路部门始发开行的列车是528列，停运的是125列。注意，这个是始发列车的这个数字。虽然